Welcome to the Tunis Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is the Tunis Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, and you?
Good, man. You're taking the game today?
Today we didn't perform well. I wasn't expecting 1-0. I was expecting more.
Yeah.
I think the boys did great. We're gonna see next fixture.
Do you think you're gonna win in the next fixture?
Yeah, I think maybe we can win because they are showing potential. Yes.
Yeah, beautiful. My brother, how's it?
Hola.
Shab, you're taking the game today?
Yeah. Ish, yabona coach. He shouldn't have to sub Shaluli. Yeah, Shaluli push Shaluli. He was supposed to sub Bargaman what left wing. Yeah, Mudi, he was supposed to stop him and Afago Batuban Matthews wife pressure
and then man of the match how Neliman Afana.
Man of the match down. Yeah, you okay, thanks.
Zola Bagania, how do you feel about the game?
Unjani
good.
unjani igame namhlanje bayimnandi bayimnandi game namhlanje enjoyile mina
yeah
Aul Ribeiro was man of the match for me, was spot on Ribeiro.
Yeah.
But ulibella igame ye 9 Pirate.
Yeah, ngona khuluma suit.
Yeah, ulibella game Pirate ya 9
ya ushuya
aya Sundowns ne re tla bona ka next week ka second leg hore Sundowns ire byang.
Yeah.
Namara ke bona Sundowns ka semi final yo bointsha yo.
Ora.
Yeah,
ke wishang orona na hore e tla ba mokho.
Re bella di analysis angere.
Yeah.
Re bella di analysis Sundowns e ka semi final.
Okay, king e rang or Sundowns e ka semi final.
Play ya bona. Wa bona le ka tsone ba ile di ticket di nne free ka le baka le re ba nya go tlatsa stadium.
Yeah, mara ba win one goal and they didn't concede any goal. Why una not about to lose? Is it because of Ole Pirates or just because also not analyze the game because of supporter you are a South African? Yeah. You must check the positives or the two later.
Yeah, mara aga analyze the game ka le baka le re ke le Pirates re lebella play sa Sundowns ka tsone se convincing. Wa ntlhalwanya. So re tla bona next week da go Tunis hore Esperance le Sundowns go tla byang.
No, thanks.
Go Tunis, we must go all out. Sundowns for a while. We're going to away group.
Thanks.